Hi guys, we're back on red current. Took the mountings off. Coming back with me to the garage for a service, and I took the measurements. I need them also to start building the frame for the gearbox and the motor. Julian today gave the second coat of primer, Seajet primer. That's the second coat, and now I'm gonna apply the first coat of anti-fouling in the pockets and the keel. We wanted to make it red, as she's electric red current. Her original name is red current. You can see with the red lines, and she had red anti-fouling we couldn't find on the island, so I'm gonna, if I have some blue anti-fouling, I'm gonna give her maybe 2 coats, and by the time we need the last coat there will be some red on the island that we can use. If not, she will go this blue. It's quite nice as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Very happy with the result. The thick is quite old and thick, so I just did the pockets so it reacts and doesn't dry or bubbles up. I will just scrape it off again, sand it a bit, another one Seajet, and then the other anti-fouling. But I believe it will dry, and once it's dry I give it a light sand and give them a second coat. See what happens. Didn't risk to do all the fin, the keel, so okay, that's all for now. Start packing up. I'm gonna go and cut the angle iron in Manuel Island next to Royal Atenea for the, as we are not gonna use that one. Once we scrap the project of the angle on Royal Atenea, so I have the right measurement, 60 by 60 by 6. That's gonna be the frame. Okay, see you there. Hello guys, we're back on red current. I'm fitting the base, plumber blocks, the mountings. I need to make 2 threads here now because I moved the mounting. Well, I'm gonna move it 1 hole back, so I moved everything back. I don't need to make a frame that big. The lining is already just on the first row, it's looking not so bad. Put a stick in there with a broom. Then I will bring the shaft and put everything in place, but I have a lot of play where to go down and up, so I'm in the center almost like that. Pretty happy. Now I need to do some measurements for the motor, so I'll take it back with me today to weld the base for the motor and the water pump. So with the motor in place, I'm gonna weld an angle from this angle 15 centimeters high, and another one here in parallel to this, 15 centimeters, and another 15 centimeters on this side, and one across angle here and an angle across here. And this way, in the future, we're gonna add another motor. It will fit right next to it, but we still have a distance in between, a gap, some space. So yeah. So this will raise itself 15 centimeters from here. I guess less. No, it will be less. of room up here to fit the controller and the rest. I haven't thought about the box of the controller, to be honest. Let's have a look.
Until the end of April. If they open up, but it's really up to me to pick up a ball. It's still a lot of work. Oh, yeah.
You don't say they make some repeat with this one.
Hi guys, today I want to remove everything from the engine bay. Everything is out now. I'm gonna finish the frame and start preparing for some repairs that has to be done inside the engine bay, motor bay. I just need to weld these two sections here to reinforce for the hybrid engine we're gonna have here. Get out here. Both applied. Mountings, frame, and coupling. Time to go home. That's the baby. Found a new place. Show you. I'm gonna place it here on the side instead of up there, so we don't have to take the trunking off. Let's put here. I might move it more back because I have the hole down there to go for the cooling system and everything. But I like the place here. It's not touching uneven. It's a heat sink sort of. Alright. Hope you're doing well, Joel. Talk to you soon. Hi guys. I have installed the PB6. Ready with the cable. Made this bar. It's a bit temporary for now, but I will fix everything, maybe even make it stronger, but at least it works. It doesn't work from here, but we have to do it from the outside now, from the control box. The only thing is the cable needs to be changed because it's quite broken. It came out from here, and I'm gonna buy a flexible one, more flexible, so it routes how we like, not like that. Once we're gonna change the cable, I take the gear off, the other cable off for the neutral forward and reverse, as we are not going to use that, but it's looking pretty good here. That's another job done.